Ethyl alcohol manufacturing by molasses fermentation. Large volume storage tanks of molasses provide a continuous supply of molasses and store the fresh molasses from sugar processing section during the fermentation process. The molasses from the tanks are diluted with water to obtain the sugar concentration around 10 to 15%. The acidic nature of molasses supports the growth of yeast during breaks-up of sucrose. For that purpose, acids are added to maintain the pH between 4 and 5. Continuous diluter equipment takes up this task. A yeast culture tank, which is provided with nutrition supply of ammonium and magnesium phosphate or sulfate, is used as a nutrient for the yeast. The acidic condition favors the yeast to produce catalytic enzymes, invertase, and zymase. Diluted and treated molasses in the yeast from storage are fed to the fermentation chamber. Modern fermentation tanks are made of stainless steel material providing with heating coils or jacket provision. The temperature 20-30 degrees is maintained in the tanks by the heating and cooling system. The process of fermentation takes place around 30-70 hours based on the temperature and sugar concentration to yeast count. Final temperature 35 degrees is attained at the end of the process. During the fermentation process, microorganism yeast produces carbon dioxide as a byproduct. The product liquid mixture is fed to the beer still to perform distillation. Solid and slurry masses separated leaving the solution of alcohol and water. The concentration of alcohol in the liquid mixture would around 8 to 10%. A series of beer still work out to produce different quality of beer products. The slurry form material obtained from the bottom of beer still is called as slops. It is used for cattle feed and fertilizer after some waste treatment operations. The streams coming out at a different section of the column are aldehydes from the top, fuse oil and ethanol mixture from middle and bottom streamed with water. The middle stream is fed to rectification column to produce a product called rectified spirit having 95% ethanol. Rectified spirit further made to absolute alcohol by anhydrous still using benzene as the third component.